Okay, so we are going to break down our last week trades. Okay, so I'm using go chart and I'm not familiar with this. And okay, so here this was our last previous day. Right? This was the Monday market. Okay, it's happening Monday morning. So here, where is our first entry will be here. Okay, so we know the daily concept we are doing. Okay, so based on daily concept after this daily taken, like we will shift into 5 minutes. And okay, so here our scope is not formed yet, and look here our scope is formed. Okay, so basically we can simply put a trade on this candle order block, and SL will be here, right? So where it should be your target. Okay, so in 50-minute structure, like I always tell you that the daily confirmation we need a breakout structure to the below side. So breakout structure should be this. Okay, so your target should be this one because we are taking aggressive trade. And okay, so that will be your target. Okay, so we will wait for that. When this demand took control, we can simply cancel the trade. So if you take that scenario, like that was happening in Asian morning, but I didn't, but some of the people did, and I'm proud of you guys. So basically, our target got hit right now. Okay, so here our target hit. Okay, so here the first trade I took in this week from was here. Okay, this was our inducement. 50-minute structure, we were bullish, still our daily took control. So here we didn't get a breakout structure. In daily confirmation, we need a breakout structure, right? So here our breakout structure not happened yet. So after this inducement taken, like this was a double sip actually, right? In 15 minutes structure, it's a double sip. But if you like, I didn't mind the 15 minute structure right now that time. That was a mistake. Okay, because in 15 minute structure, look this candle's formation. This was a indecision candle. Like indecision means this candle's sell side rejection is very bigger than buy side, right? So even it's a double sip, it not promising that price will go high. Okay, so what should we do? Like we have to wait for next candle to give us scope or a proper double sip. If it's a next candle close the as like this, then we can simply trade on that. SL will be here, entry will be here, and target will be that. Okay, we can do that, but we have to wait for next candle in 50 minutes. Okay, because it's not a promising that price will go high, right? The candle's sensor rejection is very much, but I didn't see that in that time. I personally took that trade in 1 minute. Okay, in 1 minute here we got a chalk, right? So in here this will be our chalk, and after this chalk I simply took a trade on this demand. Okay, so if I saw 15 minute I won't take that entry, but I didn't. Okay, so that was a mistake, and I took a trade like this, and what happened, I got my SL wonderfully. Okay, that was an unwanted SL. If I see 15 minute structure, I wouldn't enter there because we can't believe that double chip. Okay, so here I got a first essay in Monday, and after that, what happened? Look, now our proper double chip happened. Look, that buy pressure is on, and it promising that price will go high, right? It promising that price will go high, so we can simply put a trade on here, and SL will be, oh shit, SL will be this low and target will be this high. Okay, so we can simply took a trade like that, and what happened, look here, that trade simply got a hit. Okay, so here our first target got hit, and look what happened, still our next POE, our previous day high got sweep. Sorry, our major high got sweep. Okay, so yeah, when this inducement taken high is confirmed yet, so our high is sweep. So basically, I shifted into 1 minute, and here 1 minute chop will be here. Okay, I will show you. Okay, so now chalk happened. Okay, in 1 minute we got a chalk. What will be your chalk? Oh shit, this not working well. Okay, so this will be your chalk. Okay, so when this chalk happens, this will be your supply. Okay, so this will be your supply, and your entry will be here. Okay, so you can simply, I took a entry this one, but it didn't trigger. It's unlucky, but we can't do like some brokers. It did trigger, but it didn't for me. So the target will be 1:4, or no, we can't target the 1:4. Okay, because like still we do have our daily concept. What is the daily concept? We need a breakout structure. Breakout structure to below this candle, right? So that should be our target here. Okay, so that will be on list to 5. Oh nice, but it didn't got. Look what happened. See, it simply formed. Okay, it simply formed, and I took another trade and I will show you where was that. See here, what happened in this candle below, we got a wick. Next, so we have to in daily confirmation we need a break of structure to downside. We don't have to wait for any inducement after that, even though we are bullish in 50 minutes. That's the daily confirmation, right? So after this candle, the wick should be below this, and this is also not a big. So next, wait for next candle. Oh shit, this candle. Oh, okay. So we will wait for next candle. So it happened. So in this year, there is no supply there because everything is mitigated. So all have left is this. Okay, all have left this order block. Okay. So what I did, I will show you. Like basically, I shifted into 1 minute in that time. Like it was a live in market. Like we don't have to wait for any inducement. So this was that order block, and also I refined this order book. Actually, this was a unmitigated week. I didn't see that. Okay, I didn't see that. I didn't notice that. That's also a mistake. I only saw this order block and I only marked that. Okay, so I was waiting to anything happen, and look what happened. Price mitigated our order block. Look, now our 1 minute refine order block is mitigated. So see, in next candle we got our double sip. We learn about this in 1 minute and this. Okay, in this group there is some students who not completed our course. Don't worry, we will explain that. So we got our double sip. So what we going to do? We will somebody look trade. Okay. So the chalk is here actually. Our chalk is here, but still we will took this trade. I will put an entry here. Like this is aggressive entry. I won't recommend that, but I was very confident about this supply because already I was sure that price will fall. Okay. So, but I basically I took a risk. I took like if you are not confident, you have to put stop loss above that order block 50 minutes supply, but I didn't. I put only two pip. Okay, and after that price little tested my patience. Like I thought it might sell, but it literally fall. Okay, and I got my honest for quickly. Okay, and so here where was that? Okay, here my target is done. Okay, so after my target is done, for me, like I told you, like if I tested that supply one more time, this supply is not valid as anymore, right? But in this daily concept, I didn't notice this. Okay, so basically, if you are looking for a chalk, you got our on min chalk, and your chalk will be here, right? Your chalk will be here, and your on mint supply will be that. But I didn't took that because I already got a SL today and I got my target also. So I was done for that. And what happened? Look, that supply didn't respect it. That on minted supply which we gave chalk. Okay, it didn't respect it, but that on mint unmitigated we got respected. See what See, this supply is not respected, but this one is respected because there is a refine order block above that. Okay, so if you didn't notice that, that will be a issue. So if you're taking entry, your SL should be above this order block minimum. Otherwise, 50 minute supply order block above. Then you will be safe. Okay, then you won't sell. So you will be safe in this trade, and that happened that day. So after that, where I took entry, so that happened. Then I didn't sit anything for market. Then price was literally going like this, and now this is the okay. Now this will be your previous daily low. Okay, and I took a buy on that. I think I will show you. There was the next trader for us. Okay, so when this previous daily low broken, we will just shift into 5 minute, and we will look for a scope. Okay, we need a proper scopes. So here there are no proper scopes. Okay, actually I marked this door not correctly. Okay, here will be yours. Okay, let me see. Okay, so after that, if you this is not a scopes, and after that it fall, and if you took here Henry, and it will be yourself. Okay, that's fine because we can't do anything. And after that, we got our proper scopes. Oh no, we didn't get a scope. Okay, let me think about that one more time. Yeah, so if you took entry here, you will get a sell, and after that, look again. I didn't took that trade, and after that, again price was failing to give a scope, and our scope happened this by candle. Everything is a big okay, so we have to do that like this. Then I shifted into 15 minutes for what's happening to understand the market. And look, it was our double sweep and scope is forming. Okay, so I was confident that about that order block, and it got respected. And look what happened. See, it got respected and we got our target. Okay, so if you can took this trade also, your entry will be here and your SL will be this, and your target should be like it's a daily concept, so we can't aim for much. Like we need to be hit this on your target, that will be what, on list to 4.7. No, 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 I took on list to 2.39. Oh, I think my SL is not much. On list to 2.39, what was that? Yeah, I took this move, the big candle, and I closed that from the, okay. So that was the next trade I took in this week, and after that, where I took entry means, and okay, I will show you. And this will be your previous day high, and I didn't took this entry, but another Vijay Pro took this one, I think. And what happens? See. Okay, here also. Here, when this previous day high got sweep, we will just shift into 5 minute. And if you got a scope, you can enter by that. That's the concept. So, okay, wait. Here, where is your scope? Look, after previous day high got sweep, still our scope is not formed yet. And okay, I think he took before scope. Okay, wait, let me check. No, that's the scope. Okay. Yeah, actually, this was the scope. I do also took this trade, and I will show you. Some people took this trade before scope happens. That's also normal. But when I did, like here, okay, when this mitigated, I took my trade. This scope is mitigated. Okay, actually, I took that trade here, and sometimes I'm also getting confused, but don't mind. Okay, so this was my SL, and my target was in 15 minutes structure low will be your 15 minute structure law, like we can't do this. Okay, so this will be your target, and it simply got hit. Okay, and after that we will wait for confirmation entry, but we didn't get any confirmation entry. Okay, it simply got big. Some people look buy here, but that's wrong because daily took in control. Okay, so they look buy in after inducement, but that's wrong. We can't do that because daily literally took in control. How you trust that inducement? Okay, after that we have to wait for a supply, so I marked this as a supply, and I was waiting for this peak, but what happened, price didn't came, the price was literally falling. Okay, then we didn't get any entry, and after that where we get entry? Okay, let me check. So where I took next entry was here. Okay, so where did I took, this was our inducement. After inducement taken, this all happened in Asia. So I want trade in Asia, you know that, and this will be my order block. And after that, when after 10:30, 10 o'clock, this candle is mitigated. Okay, actually I do trading based on after 10:30, but still I took this trade, and look, this is a double sip actually. So how I took entry will be here. SL was above that, and target was this. Okay, I was actually targeting 1:4 first, and when that demand took control, I exited from the, okay. Look, when this demand retested, I simply took exited the, okay. This is only to two. I think in Ohanda this is wrong. Like basically in forex.com I took only to three something. I was sure about that, and I don't know. So whatever, you just understood the concept, where did I took trades? Okay, that's all about. And next one is